This is the East Ilby site. I've had a good deal of trouble finding it. I'm pretty sure that I'm on the right spot or close to it. I've rang Alex. Unfortunately, he hasn't been to the site. There are 2 pegs over here. Apparently they've moved the site several times. This curve that I'm panning around now, from Green Hill Road around, I'm in the middle of a big T intersection, and this leg here, the T part, the leg of the T swings off to the transfer station. Unfortunately, the sketch doesn't show the other part of Green Hill Road, the main, which is the road to the Bruce Highway, which I came in on. However, I'll keep panning back around. So this curve that I'm starting at here and around that curve past the truck and down there, that curve lines up with the north point. I suspect the power is going to be brought across from this, either that pole there, which I'll zoom on, or that pole there. Once again, things don't sort of line up too well on the plan, and the pole numbers don't match, so that's cast a further doubt. But anyway, taking all things into consideration, the fact that we're on top of the hill, the soil profile won't vary much either way if they move it a little bit, and nor will the resistivity test alter much, I wouldn't think. So I'm going to have to proceed on this basis. Still on this East Ilby side. I've got the truck in, had to bash my way through the bush, broke my aerial in the process, which I'm not happy about. Anyway, shit happens. Yeah, down about 500. You can see what's. I just let this, kept it going, just so you can see. There's a bit of topsoil material, but basically it's all broken rocks. Rocks in here, right here. I'll take some more film of exposures in the cuttings if I can. Just leaving East Ilby site. The road I'm standing on is the road is Green Hill Road. That's the road into East Ilby. The road that goes off that way is the road to the transfer station, and this all lines up with the overall plan. Now if I zoom in and you look carefully, just to the left of that signpost, there it is there, that's one of the pegs. And there's the other one actually. And I drilled a hole between those 2 pegs just in off behind them, and then I drilled a hole about 6 metres away back here. I'll zoom back out again now if I can, and did a resistivity test, sort of at right angles to the corner, sort of parallel to the, if you drew a tangent across the arc, I did the first one that way and the other one at right angles, which was in the direction I'm looking in off the road, or I bashed some scrub down. Now, just going to turn around and walk up towards this cutting, and I'll stop the camera. We're a little way away from where the actual site is, but you can see the nature of the material. Pretty basically a matrix of some soil and broken rock pieces. That's about the best exposure I can see. I couldn't get anything up near the site, it's all grassed over.